Morning. Yesterday we are solving the problems on profit and loss. We have solved three problems. Let us take up fourth problem. The fourth problem is like this: a pen sold 10% profit had been brought it for rupee 1 less and sold for rupee 1 more. The profit would have been 33 of 1 by 3%. Find cost price and selling price. So the what he asked is actually cost price is asked, but it is sold, actually it is brought 1 rupee less. So whatever the cost value, 1 rupee less than that it is brought and sold it for 1 rupee more. By doing this, the profit would be 33.3, and the pen sold at actually 10% profit. So let the cost price equal to x, then a pen sold 10% profit. 10% profit means, so this is the cost value, then selling price would be so selling price, the for this to have 10% profit, selling price would be this x plus 10% of this, x by 100%, x by 10, no, means, so 10 by 100 means 1 by 10. So I have done the same thing, x plus x by 10, this equal to 10 x in 10 into x, 10x plus x is 11x divided by 10. Now it is said that the cost price is 1 rupee less. The cost price is 1 rupee less. If we actually sold for this, if it is brought, say 1 rupee less, instead of doing this, when sold at 10% profit, instead of selling at 10% profit, if it would have been so brought, if we done like this, if we brought it for rupee 1 less and sold for 1 rupee more of the cost price, then the profit would be this. Followed what I said? Actually the pen sold with a 10% profit, but if it is sold, for rupee 1 less, actually if it is sold anta actually it has been brought, if it is brought for 1 rupee less and sold for 1 rupee more, then the result, due to this, the result would be have been 33 of 1 by 3 profit. Then what is the cost price and selling price? These are required. So let the cost price of a equal to x, say, so selling price when with a profit of 10% would be this, but it is, if it is brought for 1 rupee less, in the sense so cost price would be, the new cost price would be, the new cost price equal to x minus 1. Cost price is x minus 1, and new the new selling price equal to 1 rupee more, so x plus 1 would be new selling price is this, sorry, not x plus, this is the cost price. Cost price is 1 rupee less, so x minus 1, because we have taken x as cost price. Selling price equal to cost price plus its profit. Profit is 10% more, so that is, so this equal to 11x divided by 10 plus 1. If you, by doing this, there is a profit of this. So by doing this, the 33% of the new cost price, this is the new cost price, 33% of this, so 33%. So what you have to write is, it is brought for this, the profit would be 33%. The, by doing this, the profit would be 33 of 1 by 3%. Though this implies 33 means this into 3, 99 plus 100. 100 by 3, 100 by 3 of this percent cost price divided by 100. So this equal to 100 cancelled. So x minus 1 divided by 3. So this is the profit. This is the profit. We know that profit equal to so if cost price is more and selling price is less, then there is a loss. If it is a profit means cost price is less and selling price is more. So selling price minus cost price. It should be selling price minus cost price. Now selling price equal to this. Selling price is this. With a profit. Sorry, with the profit is x minus 1 by 3. X minus 1 by 3 equal to selling price. New selling price is this. 10. This one. Selling price is 11x divided by 10 plus 1 minus cost price. Cost price is x minus 1. This is the new cost price. This is assumed cost price equal to x. The new cost price equal to this, and new selling price is this. So selling price minus cost price equal to profit. Profit is this. So this equal to only the simplification. So LCM is 10 here. LCM 10, and this equals 11x plus 10. 11x plus 10 minus x minus 1. X minus 1 also you can take it say for whole ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾ, ತೆಗೆದು ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡುವ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 10 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10x ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10 ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 11x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 10 ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದೆರಡು ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ತೆಗೆದು ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಫಾರ್ LCM ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು, ದೆನ್ this as it is, and this for this equal to 10x, 10 into x 10x, 10 into 1 minus 1 to minus 10, minus 10 into minus is plus 10. That is what I have done here. So this equal to, by simplification, this becomes equal to 11x minus 10x is x plus 20. 11x minus 10x equal to x plus 20. This is x minus 1 implies x minus 1 left side, x minus 1 divided by 3 equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11x minus 10x equal to x, 10 plus 10 equal to 20 divided by 10 divided by 10. Now ಈಗ this into this cross this into this, this into this, this into this gives you 10x minus 10 equal to 3x plus 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 20 is 60. So this implies 10x minus 3x, 10x minus 3x equal to 60 plus 10. So it, when it brings here, it will bring this 10 here this side, this becomes positive. So this is 7x equal to 70. This implies 7x equal to 70, or x equal to 10. So x equal to 10. The cost price of the 10 is x equal to 10. This equal to CP, cost price, because we have assumed that cost price equal to x. Now the new for 1 rupee more means the selling price should be plus 1 equal to 11 rupees. Selling price equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 11 rupees. 1 rupee more. Next is example number 5. A dealer brought 40 pence at a certain rate. He sold 3/5 of them, charging rupee one more than its cost price, and remaining pence for rupees 126. By doing this and made profit of 20% on the whole, find the cost price of each pen. You have to again find the cost price. There are 40 pence. Pence equal to 40 and certain rate. We don't know selling price. We don't know. He sold 3/5 of them. 3/5 of 40 means 5 into 24 24 pence. 24 pence. 3/5 of charging rupee one more than its cost price means this is sold for cost price plus 1, and the remaining 16 pence total cost equal to 126. Find the cost price as a whole and made the profit of, and as a whole by these two together as a whole means these two together a profit of 20%. Profit of 20%. Find the cost price. Let cost price equal to x. Let solution. Let the cost price of each pen equal to x. Each pen equal to x. Then so 40 pence and selling price of 40 pen equal to 40x. So cost price of 40 pence equal to 40 into x equal to 40x. Then this is actually cost price, but 3/5 means 24 pence were sold charging 1 rupee more. So 3/5 means 24 pence. So 24 pence charged 1 rupee more implies the cost price is x. This becomes x plus 1. So for 24 is x plus 1 into for 24. So because 24 pence are there, for the each pen 1 rupee extra. So this plus 1 rupee extra into 24. This equal to 24x plus 24. Now 24 aita. Now the remaining means 16 pen. Remaining pen means 16s were sold at rupees 126 rupees 126. So the question is, by doing this there is a profit of 20%. So what is the value? So selling price equal to, therefore selling price equal to x plus 1 into 24 x plus 1 into 24 plus 126 equal to ಅಂದರೆ 24 ಪೆನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದ 16 ಪೆನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು? 20% ಲಾಭ ಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗೇನಾಯಿತು? ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 24x plus 150 24x plus 24 into x is 24x plus 24 plus 126. So this equal to I can add here 24. This becomes 150. So this is 150. I will write 150. This is the selling price. But by this the dealer gets rupees 20% profit. So what is that? Therefore 20% from what is the 20% of this? So 20% of this selling price means this 24x plus 150. 24% of cost price, sorry, 20 cost price ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದು actually selling price. 20% of cost price is the this equal to ಏನಿದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ 20% ಲಾಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗಿಂತ 20% ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 40x. ಸೊ 20% ಆಫ್ 40x ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಈ ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 4 into 2 8. ಸೊ 8x ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. So therefore we know that profit equal to, so selling price minus cost price, because profit is there. So profit is 8x equal to selling price is this 24x plus 150 minus cost price. Cost price is 40x. Cost price is ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, cost price 40 penny, this 40x. So if you simplify this, so ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಮಗೆ x ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ 40x ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ 8x ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 40x ಆಯಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 40x ಆಯಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ 24x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 150. So this equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ? 48 minus 24 equal to 24x. 24 equals 40 plus 8 48 minus 24 equal to 24. This implies 24x equal to 150 or x equal to 150 divided by 24. This equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 24. This equal to 6.25 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. x equal to 6.25. 6.25. This is the answer. This is the cost price of each pen. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So next is a table costs what 4 chair cost. If cost price of 9 chairs and 2 tables is rupees 425, what would be the cost price of 1 dozen chairs and 4 tables? I will read once again. A table costs what 4 chair cost. ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಬೆಲೆ 4 ಚೇರ್ಗಳಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಚೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So 1 table ಬೆಲೆ, so a table costs what 4 chair costs. So let 4 so 1 table cost price of 1 table equal to 4 ಚೇರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು. ಇಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ if CP cost price of 9 chairs and 2 tables, if cost price of 9 chair 9 chair plus 2 tables equal to 245, ಇದು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಈಗ. 245. What would be the cost price of 1 dozen? What would be the cost price of 1 dozen 1 dozen chairs and 4 tables? 4 tables ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಅರ್ಥ. ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಕುರ್ಚಿಯಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಚೇರ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಟೇಬಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ 9 chairs plus 2 tables equal to 245, if it is so, then what is the cost price of 12 chairs and 4 tables together? Let the cost price of chair equal to x. Then what is the table value? Table value equal to, it is given that, so cost price of 4 chairs ಇದು 4 chairs ಅಲ್ಲ, 4 chairs ಇದು 1 table equal to 4 chairs. So therefore cost price of 4 chairs equal to 4 into x equal to 4x. This equal to cost price of 1 table. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ 9 chairs equal to, therefore cost price of 9 chairs therefore cost price of 9 chair plus 2 table equal to 245 implies cost price of 9 into cost price of 1 chair ಎಷ್ಟು x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 9 into x plus 2 tables. 2 tables ಅಂದರೆ 1 table ಅಂದರೆ 4x. 2 table means 4x into 2. 2 into 4x, 2 tables equal to 245. ಸಾರಿ 245 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 425, ಅದೇನೋ 425 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸಾರಿ 425 ಅಂತ. 425. ಹಾಂ, cost price of 9 chair. So 1 chair, cost price of 1 chair is x. So for the 9 chair the cost would be 9x, and the one table value, the cost of 1 table equal to 4x. The values of 4x, so 4x into 2, this equal to 425. Just simplify, that is all. So 9x plus 8x equal to 425. This implies 17x equal to 425. This implies x equal to 425 divided by 17 equal to 17 34. So this is 25. 17 85. 34 17 into 2 17 34 8 ಉಳಿತು 85 ಆಯಿತು. 17 85. Now cost price of, what is the cost price of 1 dozen? If so, what would be the 1 dozen chairs and 4 tables? 1 dozen chairs, 12 chairs and 4 tables. So 12 chairs means 12 into x. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ 12 chairs and 4 tables. ಸೊ 12 chairs, ಚೇರ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು x ಇದೆ, x equal to 25 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 25 plus 4 tables. 4 equal to 4 into 1 table ಬೆಲೆ 4x. 4 ಅಂದರೆ 4x means 25 into 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 25 into 4. 25 into 4 into 4 this gives you ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 20 12 20 12 300 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 20 10 250 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 300 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 300 plus 100 plus 25 into 4 is 100. 100 into 4 is 400 equal to 700. This is the value. Answer. Next is a merchant made 15% profit on an article sold for rupees 2300, but he suffered a loss of 5% on another article whose cost price is rupees 1500. Find his net gain or loss on the two sales together. Work at home. So thank you. Now let us stop here.